is what? Nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Now we know that the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is what? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where b square minus 4ac is known as what? Discriminant, which is denoted by a symbol which is known as delta. Now if delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal, and if delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And if delta is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Now based on the activity page number 44, you will come to know from this activity what is the meaning of all this. Now the value of discriminant they have already given, 50, minus 30 and 0. You have to find out the nature of the roots over here. Now 50 is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. Now next one is minus 30. Minus 30 is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. So over here roots are not real. Next one, they have given value of discriminant is how much? 0. So when delta is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So roots are real and equal. No need of writing roots because it is given in the question itself. Here it is given. So roots are real and unequal. Roots are not real. And here it will be what? Roots are real and equal. So if it is 0, then roots are real and equal.